Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you the measurements that you need to create your very own Slim Jim template and customize it just the way you want. So these are the three that I did from the video, giving you a preview of what it looks like. So what we're going to do is, if you're working in Publisher, that's, the same thing that I'm working in. You could just follow along, the exact steps. So we're going to go to insert, we're going to go to shapes, and of course we want to make the this rectangle. And to create this rectangle, let's see what the measurements are. The measurements are 5.5 in height and 1.2 in width. So let's change this. 5.5 in height and 1. Did I say 1.2? Yes, 1.2. Okay, so from here, it's pretty much easy. You can go to shape, fill, picture, or, you can keep it blank. It's really up to you. And then just, choose the picture you want. I'm also going to upload the Slim Jim logo for you guys. Yeah. And it's super easy to change this to a different color. So just make sure you're clicked on the image. And let's go to recolor and more variations. And, you can pick the color if you don't see the color. That's why I went to more variations, because this is all that they're going to have up here. More variations, and you can just color it. That's how I did for this one right here. So, yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Like, it's really simple. Really, really simple. You guys, I have watched the Squid Game, and I've got to say, I love it. Love, love, love it. No, that didn't work. Now, I wonder why. Oh, okay, I get it, because the background is already white. Okay, so let's go to recolor. Can you set a transparent color? Okay, anywho, that is pretty much the basics on creating your Slim Jim template. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And, I love hearing from you guys, and I will answer any questions that you have. So I will see you guys very soon. Bye!